Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix a common problem in Notepad. You know how sometimes the text in Notepad just keeps going in one long line and you have to scroll sideways to read it? It's super annoying, right? Well, we're going to fix that today. Let's get started. So first, I'll open up Notepad. Now I've already got some text copied, so I'm just going to paste it here. As you can see, the text is all in one long line. It's hard to read like this, but don't worry, we'll fix it in a second. Now look at the top of the Notepad window. You'll see a menu bar. I'm going to click on the Format option, and here you'll see an option called Word Wrap. I'll click on it, and there you go. The text now wraps neatly to fit within the Notepad window. That's it. It's that simple. No more horizontal scrolling, and the text is so much easier to read. This little trick can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you work with longer text files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.